Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony here, Walnut Ridge, Newcastle, Indiana. You know what time it is? Bam, bam. It's time for Walkthrough Wednesday. Today, we're going to take a look at this awesome 377 FL Montana High Country. This thing is cool as the other side of the pillow. And check this out. Did you know right now you could get an additional $5,000 worth of trade-in assistance? That's right. Your trade-in's worth an additional $5,000 on this and a handful of other Montanas that we have in stock. So your deal just got better, but let's check this cool unit out. So first and foremost, this is a front living room floor plan. It has a sofa that pulls out to make a bed here. It's got theater seat recliners. It's got another sofa over here that makes a bed. You've got this awesome entertainment center up front with a televator. Push a button and it goes down. There's a front window, so if you're looking out over a lake or the grandkids or anything like that, you've got all that window out there. Your fireplace is a 4700 BTU electric heat source. This thing's got dual air conditioners to keep you cool even on the hottest of days. And it's got an awesome kitchen. All right, and right here in the kitchen, we've got a 3-burner stove and oven. You've got your residential 30-inch microwave. You've got tons of cabinet space up overhead. Single lever faucet with a sprayer. You got tons of storage space down underneath. Even comes with a trash can, drawer space. You've got your freestanding dinette with 4 chairs, GE residential refrigerator, tons more cabinet space over here. If you can't store it in this kitchen, you don't need it. But just like any good infomercial, guys, but wait, there's more. If we go right back here, you've got the master bathroom or the bathroom. You've got a 1-piece fiberglass shower stall with a seat and a footrest for the ladies that want to shave their legs. You got a porcelain toilet, so you've only got the very best for your buns. Going down into your master bedroom, you got a king-size bed with windows on both sides of the bed. All this storage space for your clothes in here. More storage space here. And this unit's got an upstairs. So if we go check out what you're going to see up there, you've got a loft for the grandkids. You've got 2 bed bunk mattresses up here. Your secondary AC also feeds into this area. You've got windows up here. You've got a place for a television, all the cool stuff that you need. So if you want to take the grandkids with you, you've got an absolutely awesome floor plan. Come check this unit out, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. And on the outside of this beautiful 377 FL, you got a big pass-through storage compartment, goes all the way through to the other side. Enough room that you can put your 10 by 10 easy ups in. You can put lawn chairs, you can put folding tables, you can put fishing poles. You got a big power awning with LED lights up underneath. That's all push button. It's black on both sides, so you don't have to worry about it getting all green and nasty and moldy and mildew. You've got outdoor speakers, so you can be listening to the best music that fits your taste, regardless of whether your neighbors want to hear it or not. They're going to be listening to it. You got a tankless on-demand hot water heater, automatic leveling jacks, 6-point automatic leveling jacks, extra storage space here down underneath the master bedroom. But this thing's got a secret little door that allows you to get to the bathroom even when you're traveling. One of the biggest things that clients tell us all the time, I want to be able to get to my bedroom, I want to be able to get to my kitchen, my refrigerator, and my bathroom while I'm traveling. Well, the layout on this floor plan, if you noticed from inside, makes it a little tough to do. So there's a great little secret entrance over here on the other side. We've got a door on the back side of this unit that takes you right in to the hallway so you can get into the master bathroom. Absolutely cool, makes it super easy to get in, get back out, everything like that. And then some more rear storage back here on the back. Watch the cord. More storage space back here. I can't think of another thing that this unit could use to make it easier for you and your family to go camping. Hope you guys come out and take a look at it. Hey, don't forget, $5,000 worth of trade assistance. Talk to you soon, guys.